Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing, first impression review, whatever you want to call it. Today we will be unboxing this unit from Sensationnel. This is their Alpha Woman unit. As always, I got this in a jet black one. That is my color preference. This is from their Curls, Kinks, and Co line. That is a line that is geared towards those with natural hair, those wanting units that emulate natural hair. And it's supposed to emulate natural hair in a blown out state. This is for curl types ranging from 3B to 4C. It's a textured unit, so again, a kinky straight unit, and it is made from 100% premium fibers. It has a deep center part, as you guys can see here. It did come with baby hairs. We all know how I feel about baby hairs. You guys will see what happens to the baby hairs later, but if you love baby hairs, definitely you can make do with them. This is a protective style, so if you do have natural hair and you want to give your hair a break, maybe you're considering switching to being natural, doing the big chop, transitioning, whatever it is that you want to do, if you want a new look, this is for you. It has ear-to-ear soft lace. You can style this unit as an updo, it says on the information card. However, I did not. I prefer not to. This is hot water set, so if you wanted to add some curls to it, then you definitely can, and it's like getting 2 units for the price of 1. And then as always on the back of the information card, you guys can find care instructions as well as additional colors that this unit comes in. All right, so getting into cap construction, you guys can see that we have a middle part as well as 2 combs surrounding the parting space. At the bottom of the unit, you guys are gonna find an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. Straight out of pack, this is what the unit looks like. Oh, excuse me. This is what the unit looks like. We have this one baby hair curl. I just loosened that up, but we have this one curl here. You guys know how I feel about baby hair, so we'll fix it up, we'll hook it up. Comes with that standard amount of lace that synthetic units typically come with. It's pretty puffy up here, so that is no issue. We will try and hook it up as always. And yeah, you guys can see it is a straight unit. Don't really have too many thoughts here. I can't come to a final verdict. You know, usually out of the pack, fresh out of the pack, units don't look their best. So I am going to head over to my bathroom, to a bigger mirror, and then I'm going to try and get this unit together, revive it, and then I'll come to you guys at the very end with all of my final thoughts, questions, concerns, opinions, all that jazz. Very quickly, just to show you guys the contrast and the styling, I'm not done yet. I still have to touch up this side, but you guys might be able to tell without me even saying, this side has been chased with a brush and a blow dryer, and it still has the texture, still has, you know, that beautiful kinky straight texture that we all love, and it helped to flatten out the roots. So I'm just gonna go in on this side, do the same, and then I'll come back to you guys, of course, with all my final commentary. All right, and we're back. This is the final look. Much, much better, in my opinion. As always, I went in, hit the parting space with the Ulta Contour Kit. I used the Bombshell Bronzer, and I applied that with a flat angle brush. I just told you guys in the previous clip that I chased the hair with a brush and a blow dryer. I don't know why I'm having a brain fart, but I chased the hair on both sides to help smooth it out, make it not look as puffy, and I was able to keep that beautiful kinky straight texture on both sides. It just looks very, very sleek. It's very, very smooth, very, very soft. I love it. And it still has great movement to it. In terms of the luster, consistent with all other units that I've reviewed from this line, it has that natural dull luster, looks very healthy, like natural hair that was pressed out. Maybe you went over with the flat iron once. So very, very beautiful. In terms of the length, this unit it hits you right below the bust. So a nice length, not too, you know, not too long. It's very pretty. And this has a really nice density to it. It doesn't look bulky in my opinion, doesn't feel heavy. It looks really, really good. Honestly, it's what I wish my natural hair looked like when it's flat iron. In terms of the baby hairs, you guys already know what the deal is. I cut all of those off. When I was brushing out this unit, I did get quite a bit of shedding. It was coming out in clumps. So it's just something to keep in mind. But as of right now, running my fingers through this, I'm not getting any snags, any tangles, which is nice, but I am getting a few strands of hair coming out. So again, all good things to take into consideration when wearing this unit. I definitely think that it looks a lot better than on the model. The model is absolutely stunning, but it definitely came out. I was prepared not to like this, but I wasn't quick to jump to a conclusion, and it was pretty easily. I mean, all you have to do is take your blow dryer and take a brush and then just chase the 2 and smooth it out to your satisfaction. That's it. I really like this. This is an everyday, day-to-day unit. I can see myself wearing this to work, wearing this to run errands. Honestly, honestly, it's a staple unit. It's good to have. It's very low key. The parting space on this is really good, very realistic. It looks good. I like it. I honestly, I don't have any complaints. Everything was a really easy fix. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, if you guys want to see any type of videos, whether it's makeup, it's protective styles, natural hairstyles, hair care, whatever it is, if you guys want to see it, leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get that out to you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, share this with a friend, bring a friend next time, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.